guys, it's Ariannitalagringa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be teaching all of you English at Disney World, which is the happiest place in the world. Before entering the park, you need to pass through security and then you can buy your Disney ticket. I already bought a ticket and it cost $164. And then I took the monorail to get to Magic Kingdom. The train ride was around 5 minutes and they have trains to get to different parks like Epcot or Disney Hollywood Studios. I'm finally at Magic Kingdom. I'm at the entrance and all I need to do is scan my park ticket, scan my fingerprint, and then I'm ready to go to the park. This is the official entrance of Disney World and it's decorated just for fall and for Halloween. Look at the pumpkins that have Mickey Mouse on them. I already have my Disney World card and come with me and let's see what type of English vocab we can learn inside Disney World. I'm going to hop on this omnibus and I'm going to take a tour around Disney World. Right now I'm getting on the bus. The bus is free and it'll take me to the castle. In Disney World, you only pay for your park ticket, food, drinks, or souvenirs. I just walked down these stairs and this bus took me to the Magic Kingdom Castle. This is a castle, and this castle is based on Cinderella's fairy tale. Have you guys seen the movie Cinderella? I was able to watch a spectacular show, or it's also called a performance, on this stage right here in front of Cinderella's castle. I was able to see different Disney characters. I got to see Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, who are cartoon characters. They are mascots of Disney World, and that's why you're able to see Mickey Mouse's face all over Disney World. I also got to see princesses from different fairy tales. I got to see Elsa, Anna from Frozen, and I also saw Rapunzel. As I said before, Mickey and Minnie Mouse are iconic mascots of Disney World. Go ahead and let me know down below what is your favorite fairy tale or movie from Disney. Okay guys, right now I'm waiting in line for the Big Thunder Railroad attraction. It's a roller coaster and the wait time is 30 minutes. Disney World has a ton of different attractions and you can either see the attractions from the brochure when they hand out a map, or you can check out the attractions on the app. And you can actually see how long the wait time is for each attraction or roller coaster. The line is moving pretty quickly, so sometimes it takes less than 30 minutes. If you don't want to wait in line for an attraction like I'm doing right now, you can buy the FastPass. This is the line for the FastPass. The FastPass is more expensive than an actual Disney World ticket. The FastPass costs $180, whereas my Disney World ticket costs $160. So if you want to buy a FastPass, you can actually avoid the lines. Do you think buying a FastPass is worth it? Let me know down below. Right now, I've been waiting in line for more than 30 minutes. I think this attraction needs to change their wait time. Right now, I'm standing in row 8 and I'm about to hop on my ride. I just got off the ride and it was so fun, but it took a little bit longer than expected because I had to wait 40 minutes in line instead of 30 minutes. Right now, I'm gonna go to Pirates of the Caribbean, but before that, I'm going to buy a refreshment or a soft drink. Can I have a sweet tea and lemonade slushie, please? This is the area where you will pick up your orders. If you order food, you'll pick it up here. So far, I've spent $160 for my park ticket, $638 for this slushie, and $37.26 for my headband. Now I'm at my second attraction and the wait time is around 25 minutes. I can't wait to get on the Pirates of the Caribbean, and it says I might get wet, so I'll see what happens. I just got off of a boat ride and I got a little bit wet. Also, this boat ride was inspired by the movie Pirates of the Caribbean. The boat ride was on a river, I got splashed on, and I got to see my favorite character, the main character, Captain Jack Sparrow. Also, right now we're outside the boat ride and they have a souvenir store based on Pirates of the Caribbean. And look, they have Mickey Mouse as a pirate and they have a sword because pirates use swords. Woo! The price of this plush toy is $34.99 and this sword is $9.99. Do you guys think this is expensive? Let me know down below. Now I'm at my third attraction. It's called the Jungle Cruise. Let's see what it's gonna be about. Maybe we'll see some exotic animals, some palm trees. Come along with me. I have a question for you guys. Are you on a boat or are you in a boat? Well, if you can walk, that means you're on a boat. For example, I'm going to sit on this boat right here. Come along with me and we're going to walk onto the boat.
Down on the right-hand side.
Thank you. I'm sitting on a boat. I just got off of the boat ride and I had a great time because my tour guide taught me things about the Amazon River and the Nile River, and I got to see so many different animals and wildlife. I got to see some elephants, hippos, and come along with me and let's go see our next attraction. This park has a lot of restrooms. Everywhere I go, I can see a restroom. But after drinking the slushie, now I have to use the restroom. Right now, there's a parade going on where people are marching around, dancing, and playing a lot of music and singing songs. Behind me is Pinocchio, and then right here is Donald Duck. The parade is almost over with the final parade float. Here is Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. This is the next attraction, and it's called the Haunted Mansion, and the wait time is 45 minutes. I just got out of the Haunted Mansion and I wasn't too scared, but I was very impressed on how they made the ghost look so real. And now I'm on my way to see someone special, a princess, and I just wanted to show you guys that right here they have stroller parking because Disney World is mostly made for kids. Of course, if you have little kids, you don't want to walk around with them all day, so you can rent a stroller and you can park your stroller right here. Now it's time to meet Cinderella. She's one of my favorite princesses from the fairy tale Cinderella. Come along with me. Hi.
Darling, don't you look beautiful
Thank
today?
you too.
Those delightful mouse ears and that bow. Oh, Susie and Perla would be quite proud. Oh, they do just enjoy putting bows on everything in the castle. Oh, and even the pumpkins too. They made bows for my new slippers as
Oh,
well.
I love your
Her
slippers.
godmother helped with the glass hearts, of course.
I think this will be one of my last attractions for the day. I'm going to go on this roller coaster. And the park closes tonight at 6 p.m. So hopefully I'll go to another attraction after this one. But the wait time for this one is 60 minutes. Come along with me. What can I do with my time while I'm waiting in line for 60 minutes? Well, I can go on the Disney World app and look at the different categories that they have and different things to do in the park. I can look at the wait times for different attractions. If I want to visit and see an attraction, I can go and look where I'm at right now. And then I can also check the different attractions all around me. And then I can also look at the different Disney characters in the park. I can go visit Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse. I can also see the dining areas, places for me to eat if I'm hungry. I can also see different shows happening with the entertainment category. And then I can also see where the restrooms are at around the park. Right now, I'm in Tomorrowland, and I'm gonna go on my last attraction called Space Mountain. Come along with me. With some attractions, you can't enter if you're below 44 inches. Thank God I'm 5'10", so I can enter the ride. During the ride, they take pictures, and after the ride, you can check out your photos that they took of you. My photo isn't up right now, but I'll show you how you can save them to your Mickey Mouse card. You just tap your card right here, and it'll save the picture, and then you can purchase them at the front. Okay guys, that was the last attraction, and right now the park is closed. But they are actually still open if you bought a different ticket for Halloween night. Tonight is Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, so people walking around me are dressed up in Halloween costumes. Talking about Halloween costumes, have you guys seen my video about Halloween and costumes? Go check it out, the link is right here. But right now I have to leave the park because I didn't buy a Halloween ticket. Let me know down below if next year you guys want me to check out Disney World during Halloween. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week for the next video. Bye!